How to fix Snapchat media upload problem. So hello everyone, so in today's video I will show you guys on how to fix Snapchat media upload problem. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, just head on to your settings, scroll down until you see general, and then once you're here, what you want to do is look for storage. And then after that, once you're in here now, what you want to do is you just search up for Snapchat. So after finding Snapchat, just click on it. And then what you want to do first is to offload the app. So offloading the app, this will free up storage used by the app but keeps its documents and data. So reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. So just offload the app first and then just reinstall the app again. But if that doesn't work, just simply delete the app and then just reinstall it again from the App Store. And then after that, that should eventually work. And then that is pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to fix Snapchat media upload problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.